In this video, we journey from Aso Station to Kusasenrigahama, capturing the ascent through rolling hills. Midway, the scenery shifts to lush grasslands with serene ponds, grazing horses, and lively horseback riding near the lakeside. Spanning 785,000 square meters, this volcanic grassland offers hiking, picnicking, and breathtaking views, especially during the golden hues of sunrise or sunset, a tranquil yet awe-inspiring escape in empty Aso's embrace. When I arrived at Kusasenrigahama, the horses had just started enjoying their evening meal. Once fed, they wandered freely, creating a serene and lively scene. I watched as some strolled along the lakeshore, their reflections dancing on the water, while others ventured inland. A few paused to drink from the ponds, and others meandered in search of fresher patches of grass further into the vibrant green expanse. The quiet rhythm of their movements perfectly complemented the tranquility of the grasslands.